Okay, this is perpendicular foam rolling. This is to help encourage mid-back extension. So throw the foam roller on the floor here, and then we're going to get perpendicular with it. Safest way is just to lean back against it, feet flat on the floor, and then press up, and you're up. And then hands behind the head, support the neck there, turn off everything here, holding your neck up, and you're just rolling back and forth, searching for that restricted spot in your back where it doesn't want to backwards bend over this foam roller here. Once you find that area of tightness, you're just really thinking kind of extend backwards over this foam roller, searching for that tightness and trying to encourage that motion that you need, that extension in the mid-back. While you're rolling here, keep it between kind of the shoulder blades, and for ladies, bra strap area about right here. For guys, where you start to feel that curve, that arch in your low back. You don't want to be rolling your low back.